Hey everyone, welcome to Hau Chic. So today I have some products to unbox with you, and these products are from Dalba. I was first introduced to these products from Glam Touch. I picked up the White Truffle Intensive Ampoule and their face cream, but also their famous First Spray Serum and their Vital Spray Serum, and I absolutely loved all of them. Dalba actually contacted me to try some more of the products that are available on Amazon, and I'm here to unbox them today, and then later on I'll probably do a review on them. But so far I can give you a slight review on what I've tried so far from them, and then probably on my Instagram I'll post more information about what I thought about them. So the main ingredient that is in Dalba products is the white truffle, and white truffle is known as the diamonds of the ground, and where they source it from is from a little village called Dalba, which is where the name comes from. And what it does is that it's very anti-aging and it's very rejuvenating for the skin, and that's why it's the key ingredient for all of their products. So without further ado, I'll get into the unboxing. Starting off with the Dalba First Spray Serum. This is their key products that is also known as the Flight Attendant Mist, because a lot of flight attendants really love this serum. Once you spray this in the dry climate up in the air, it just really instantly hydrates the skin and also creates a really healthy skin barrier to prevent moisture loss. So if you open it up, you have the beautiful spray bottle like this. You can see that there's an oil film at the top, and that's where the main oils and avocado and truffle oils are. And then within this whole light mist area, that's where the watery substances are. And what you do is you shake it up, and then I just spritz this all over my face, and it just feels really refreshing. Really love the packaging. I love how it's just really simple bottle, but it also has the gold detailing here, and it just looks really luxurious. So if you have a look here, then you can see the oils separating again even after I've shaken it up. And then when I shake it up, it just mixes beautifully into this nice golden color. So the main ingredients in this is water, propylene glycol, pentyl glycol, and these are ingredients which are very hydrating because they're humectants. It also contains niacinamide, which is really good for brightening the skin and also controlling sebum oils. It also has moisturizing ingredients such as glycerin, tocopherol, which is vitamin E, and they have sodium hyaluronate, which is the humectant to draw moisture into the skin. And also it has one of my favorite ingredients, which is bifida ferment lysate. And this is like a ferment that really helps to bring a lot of antioxidants into your skin and help fight free radicals, but also it's a very good anti-aging property. And it has many more beautiful flower extracts and oil extracts, which are just amazing in this bottle. So that's the first item. Then the second item is the double layer revitalizing serum, and it looks like this. Comes in a 30 ml bottle, and once you open it up, it just looks like a mini version of the Vital Spray Serum. It has the oil level at the top, just the same, if you see the comparison here. But this is more of a watery oil texture, and it's a little bit more dense compared to the spray serum. This also has the beautiful gold detailing in the name and also the cap. And the main difference is that it's a glass bottle in comparison to the plastic bottle in the spray serum. So this one really looks nice on your vanity table. And what this does is that it's a serum and it really hydrates the skin, but also it creates a really nice hydrating and brightening feel to your skin. And the main ingredients in here is the sunflower seed oil, butylene glycol, propylene glycol. These are really good moisturizing aspects to really bring moisture into your skin. It also has my favorite bifida ferment lysate to really bring antioxidants into your skin and really anti-age. Has hyaluronic acid in multiple forms, so it's really hydrating for the skin, as well as very moisturizing and nourishing with all of the seed oils from basil, lavender and peppermint and rose and rosemary and sage. Also, it's got my second favorite ingredient, which is Centella Asiatica, which is really calming and soothing for the skin. So this one is already something that I'm very excited to use, and I'll post up a review on this on my Instagram. The next item I got is the White Truffle Waterfall Sleeping Pack, and it comes in a box like this. And what you do with this is that you apply this as your last step of your skincare routine. You don't have to do this every night, but it's every other night where you just want to treat yourself to a little bit more hydration. Inside, you have the individual sachets just like that. And if you take one out, then each one of these is 4 milliliters, and that should cover your whole entire face. One thing that I do wish they did with this product is that because it is a cream texture, I don't see what the difference is to putting this into just a tube and just having one bottle rather than the individual sachets, because this could be a little bit more wasteful in terms of for the environment. It does look very cute, I do admit. The main ingredients in here are cyclopentasiloxane, which are very moisturizing for the skin. It's got butylene glycol, glycerin, which are also moisturizing ingredients. It's got the same moisturizing ingredients such as the seed oils and the flower oils, which are found in the other two products that I showed earlier. This is more of a moisturizing pack to really seal the skin in for extra moisture. The last product I got is the Waterfull Essence Sun Cream, and this is a beautiful sun cream. This one has a really nice watery texture when I tried this on to my hand, and it's just super nice. So it looks like this. It comes in a nice tube. It comes in a 50 ml tube. I think this looks really pretty. So the SPF level on this is SPF 50, and it's got PA 4+, so it's very protective for UVA and UVB rays. It is a very light texture, and it does feel like a gel. It just feels so weightless on the skin. It does have a strong orangey citrusy smell, so if you don't like that, then it might not be one for you, but I personally really love that. And these products do have a floral citrusy smell to them, so if you're not fond of that kind of smell, then these products might not be for you, but I personally feel like it's really nice aromatherapy when I apply this. So those are the products that I got from Amazon, and you can find them easily on there. They do have occasional 5% and 10% coupon codes, which you just have to tick a box in the checkout and then you get that discount, so that's really nice to have. You can also find their products on Glam Touch and also on Stylevana from what I could see so far. So there are 3 main places that you can find them. Now I'll give you a quick overview on what I thought about the other products that I've used, especially the ones that I've bought from Glam Touch. So I'll start off with the White Truffle Intensive Ampule. This one is really pretty. It's got this glass bottle, and I was really excited to try this mainly because of the brightening aspects of this. And I do apply this only on the areas where I show acne scarring. This is more of a silky cream texture, and it did lighten up my scars, and it was really nice to use. It's super luxurious. One thing I would say is that I wouldn't solely rely on this if you have dehydrated skin. It's got more of a moisturizing aspect, but it's not very hydrating at all. I would recommend supplementing with a hyaluronic acid serum, and this will really help aid the moisture aspect of the skin. So that's my thoughts on this one. Then we have the Ampule cream. Like, this is the most beautiful packaging ever. The gold just really stands out on your vanity table, and the good thing about this is that the capsule at the middle, it can be refillable, so all you have to do is purchase the capsule, and then you can keep this tub and then just replace the capsule, which is really good for the environment. So that I'm very happy about. If you look at the texture of this cream, it's very creamy and luxurious. It's quite a thick cream, so if you have more dehydrated skin but also very dry skin in general on the surface, this one's for you. I wouldn't recommend this for oily skin types because this could be too oily for you, or I think most of these products might not be suitable for oily skin type because of the number of oils that are in these products. This one, I felt that it did really soothe my dehydrated and dry skin. I do have a lot of transepidermal water loss happening in my skin, and I just need something to really seal in all of the goodies that I've applied through my toners and serums. So this does a really good job. At first I thought it would be too thick and I would only apply this at the night time, but I also apply this on the daytime. And this is my main moisturizer for every day. So I have my last two products, which are two sprays. This one is the Vital Spray Serum, and then this one is the First Spray Serum, which is their original bestseller, which I did purchase the big version of. These two are beautiful. I do think that this one has to be my favorite because I've firstly used up most of it, and I bought this just about a month ago, and I take this with me on the go all the time. This one, when I spray this on top of my makeup or when I look tired, it just really perks up my skin and it just really instantly hydrates everything. I also apply this on the serum step of my skincare routine, and it just gives me that beautiful glow from within. This one is a slightly different version. I would say that this is more of a soothing serum rather than something to hydrate you. It does hydrate the skin, but nowhere near as much as the yellow one. Sometimes I get a lot of redness from the dry environment at work, or sometimes at home from central heating, and this one really does calm down the redness. So that one I use for that purpose. This one is really useful for on the go, especially from the small bottle. And if you compare it to the big bottle, same product, just different size. So that is everything that I got from Dalba. I did order more products from Stylevana, and I'm going to show you more of those products probably on my Instagram, because I have literally become obsessed about this brand, and I've been loving so many of their products that I just had to try more of them. And I haven't been this crazy about a skincare brand since probably from Laneige, which I did a haul on that last year, and this really blew my mind. I mean, I still really love Laneige, but I prefer going into the store and having that store experience where they probe your skin to see all of the different skin analysis. But this one, I really do hope in the future that I get to try them in store, and let's just hope that I get to do that soon. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more of this type of content, then please do like and subscribe. If you just want to chat to me, anything beauty, fashion, lifestyle, then please do message me on Instagram at Hau Chic. And finally, I give you all of my hugs and my love. Bye!